meow 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 meow. Hey guys, it is time for foundations. Yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, let's first start with R controlled vowels. Here we go. AR car R. OR horn or. ER her IR bird You are burn All right, guys. Today we have a test. Yay! Okay, so no need to worry about this test. I know you haven't done this for 2 weeks, so we'll just do our best and then just take a picture of your test and put it on Seesaw, and I'll just have a look at it, okay? All right, so let's start by looking at a few words before we take our test, okay? Here we go. Okay, what word is this? Sophia? Yes, this is the word safety. Is there a suffix on this word? Yes, there is, tyt. So our base word is safe. Let's say this word, base word, then whole word. Ready? Go. Safe, safety. Good job. Let's see. Look at the word safe. What kind of syllable is that? It is a vowel consonant E. Yes. And so that A says its name, safe, safety. So safety is a noun, it's a thing or an idea. What is a synonym for safety? Let's hear a synonym for safety. Gavin? Okay, so it could be freedom maybe, or, ooh, I got a cool word for you. Sanctuary. Yes, if you are in sanctuary, you are in a safe place. Good. And an antonym. What's a word that means the opposite of safety? Jillian, what do you think? Okay, good. That's what I was thinking. Danger. Danger is the opposite of safety. All right, great job. Let's look at one more word. Okay, Asher, what word do you see here? Yes, it is the word cozy. What sound is the Y making at the end of this word? Cozy. Yes, it is making a long E sound. Why is it making a long E sound? Okay, Trip. Yes, you're right. It is a multisyllabic word. And so that Y coming at the end, it's an open syllable. So it's going to make a long E sound. Y baby E. What about this? This first syllable. What kind of syllable is that? Yes, Sophia, you're right. It is an open syllable too. We have two open syllables. Cozy. What does the word cozy mean? Braylee, what does the word cozy mean? Okay, yes, it means it's nice and warm and comfortable. Ah, I know what you're thinking. An antonym. Oh, we can add, to make an antonym, the opposite of cozy, we can add a prefix un to the word comfortable. Uncomfortable means it is not cozy. It is the opposite of cozy. Great job! We are ready for our test. Yay! Test! Okay, beautiful, wonderful. Second graders, our test is in our sailboat book on page, let's see, 100. Wow! 100. That's 10, 10, 0. Okay, so please turn to page 100. You can pause the video now and get on the right page, and then we will begin with sounds. Okay, the first sound, number 1, E. Good. Write down the letter or letters that make that sound. E. And pause the video. Number 2, I. Good. Pause the video and write down I. Number 3, Y. What letter says Y? Number 4, What says that? Good. And number 5, Isled. Okay, nice job. Those are our sounds. Moving on to words. Number 1, remote. Number 2, shyness. Number 3, windy. Number 4, lobby. And number 5, menu. Okay, some of those are multisyllabic. Some of those have suffixes. Take a second now and mark the syllable types, the vowel sounds, and circle the suffixes. Okay, so mark the syllables, vowel sounds, circle the suffixes in those 5 words. Pause and do that. And then we're ready for trick words. Trick word number 1, every. Trick word number 2, something. And those are our trick words. Okay, we have our sentences next. First sentence. His family is trying to find a large hotel in the city. His family is trying to find a large hotel in the city. Okay, pause. And last one, second sentence, here it is. We depend on firemen to protect us. We depend on firemen to protect us. There you go. Now, pause the video. Okay, you have written your sentences. So, make sure you start with a capital letter and you end with a punctuation mark. And go ahead and scoop your sentences for fluency. And you are done. Please take a picture of your test so I can see it and post it to Seesaw. And I will look at it and we'll go from there. And don't worry if this was really hard because we haven't done it for 2 weeks. I understand that. It's all good. Okay? All right. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye, everybody.